Question number 5. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is 3. The sum of the first 10 term is 4 times the sum of the first 5 term. Find the common difference. Arithmetic progression, nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, and the sum of the arithmetic progression is equal to the Sn is equal to the n over 2 in bracket we will have 2a plus n minus 1 times d. We have the first term which is a, so we can say that this one is a. And second statement says that sum of first 10 term is 4 times the sum of 5 term. So sum of 10 term is equal to 4 times sum of 5 term. We need to find the value of difference d. Now sum of first 10 term. So we know that sum formula is Sn is equal to n over 2 in bracket we have 2a plus n minus 1 times d. And in this case n is the 10 term and a is equals to 3 which was given this one. Okay, so plugging these value we will have as 10 is equals to 10 over 2 in bracket we have 2a means 2 times 3 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 times d. So S10 is equals to 5. This one is 5. In bracket we will have 2 times 3 is 6 and 9d plus 9d. Now sum of first 5 term. So in this case we need to find the sum to the 5 term, and n in this case is 5 and a is 3. So S5 is equals to n over 2 means 5 over 2. In bracket we will have 2 times a means 2 times 3 plus n minus 1 times d means 5 minus 1 times d. So further solving we will have 5 over 2 in bracket we will have 6 plus 4d. Now it was given that sum of 10 term is equal to 4 times sum of 5 term. So sum of 10 term is equal to 4 times sum of 5 term. So sum of 10 term is 5 times 6 plus 9d is equal to 4 times sum of 5 term is 5 over 2 in bracket 6 plus 4d. So this one is equal to 2. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 9 is 45d is equals to 10. 10 times 6 is 60 and 10 times 4d is 40d. So 45d, switching 40d on the left side we will have negative 40d and equals to 60, and switching 30 on the right side we will have negative 30. So 5d is equals to 30 and this one is equals to 6. So we have the difference equals to 6 that was required. Part B. The first, second and fifth term of another arithmetic progression are in the first, second and third term of the geometric progression. It is given that first term of the progression are not 0. Find the common ratio r where r is not equal to 1 of the geometric progression. We know that we have the arithmetic progression which is equal to a, then a plus d plus a plus 2d, and it move on and up to nth term which is a plus n minus 1 times d. And geometric progression is equal to a, then ar, then ar square, and it move on up to nth term which is ar to the power of n minus 1. In arithmetic progression we have the first term a, second term is a plus d, and fifth term which is equals to the a plus n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 times d, or you can say that this one is a plus 4d. Now in geometric progression we have to find first, second and third. So first term is a, second term is ar, and third term is ar square. So it is given that first term is equal to first term, second term is equal to second term, and fifth term is equal to third term. So we can compare second term, comparing second terms of AP and GP. We will have A plus D is equal to AR. Comparing fifth and third term, comparing fifth term of AP with third term of GP. So we will have A plus 4D is equal to AR square. So this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So from equation 2 we have D is equal to AR minus A. Plug D equals to AR minus A in equation 1 because we need to find the R. So A plus 4 times D means AR minus A is equal to AR square. Further solving, we will have A plus 4AR minus 4A equals to AR square. So taking A common, we will have 1 plus 4R minus 4. A is equal to AR square. So A will be cancelled out and we will have 4R minus 3 equals to R square. And further solving, we will have R square minus 4R plus 3 equal to 0. So we have the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization because 3 times 1 is 3, negative 3 times negative 1 is equal to 3, and when we add negative 3 plus negative 1 we will have negative 4. So this equation can be written as R square minus 3R minus R plus 3 equal to 0. Taking R common, we will have R minus 3, and then negative 1 common, we will have R minus 3 equal to 0. So we have two factor R minus 1 times R minus 3 equal to 0. So we have two factors R minus 1 equal to 0. On the other side, we have R minus 3 equal to 0. So in this case, R equal to 3, and in this case, R equal to 1. It is given that R should not be 1, so we will consider this value. So we can say that R is equals to 3 is the final answer.